Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn simple future tense. Don't forget to make a notes. Simple future tense. It means an action that will occur in the future. Formula. Subject plus will, or shall plus base verb. Simple future tense, it's reflect the future time. Will does not change its form. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Will. Will is often shortened to ll. I'll, you'll, he'll, she'll, will, they'll. And even, although, it's not good English it'll. The negative of will is will not. Often shortened to won't. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Will not, or won't. Examples. Positive sentences. I will go. You will go. He will go. She will go. It will go. We will go. They will go. Or, I'll go. You'll go. He'll go. She'll go. It'll go. We'll go. They'll go. Negative sentences. I won't go. You won't go. He won't go. She won't go. It won't go. We won't go. They won't go. Or, I will not go. You will not go. He will not go. She will not go. It will not go. We will not go. They will not go. Thank you for the watching. If you want more tips and ideas, subscribe the channel.